Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert box and whisker chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert it in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert and here you see this chart option. So just click on it. Now in this all chart list you find this option box and whisker. So just click on it. Now you see here this chart, so click on it, this chart, select it and click on OK. You see here this is very easily inserted and you can change this, you can customize it by using this Excel file. You see here you can customize here, so this way you can very easily insert it. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.